Austria. Beautiful mountains, clean cities, strong economy, and a dream for thousands of international students. And maybe you are also thinking, can I study in Austria, get a job, bring my family, and later get PR? It sounds simple and exciting, but wait. What if I tell you that many students go to Austria with the wrong expectations and later struggle because they never understood the real system? What if I tell you that Austria is not a country where you automatically study and get permanent residency? And what if one small mistake in your financial planning or visa understanding can completely change your future in Europe? Stay with me, because in this video, I will show you the real Austria pathway. Study visa reality in 2026. Exact financial proof requirements. Can you bring spouse and children? Austria Family Visa rules explained. Work rights during study. Job search after graduation. Study to PR reality. And the hidden truth most YouTubers don't tell you. And at the end, I will also tell you something very important about Austria Family Visa approval chances that can completely change your planning strategy. So don't skip this video. Let's start, friends. First, we discuss Austria study dream versus reality. Austria is a good country for education. Public universities are respected. Tuition fees are lower compared to many countries. But here is the truth. Austria is not a fast PR country. There is no automatic PR after study. Instead, the pathway is step by step. Study, graduation, job search, work permit, long-term residence, PR eligibility. So if someone tells you, go Austria, study and you will easily get PR, that is not fully correct. Reality is more structured. You must build your life step by step inside Austria. Austria 2026 financial requirements. Now listen carefully, because this is one of the most important parts. To study in Austria, you must prove you can support yourself financially. For 2026, the general monthly financial requirement is approximately $1,308.39 per month for adults over 24, $722.58 per month for students under 24. This means if your visa is for 1 year, you must show thousands of euros in bank proof, usually around $15,700 plus per year, adult student requirement level, plus extra costs for rent, health insurance, living expenses. This is not optional. Without financial proof, visa will not be approved. Important truth. Austria wants students who are financially stable, not students who will struggle after arrival. Cost of living reality of Austria. Austria is not cheap. Monthly expenses can look like rent, $400 to $800, shared room, food, $200 to $400, transport, $50 to $100, insurance, $60 to $150. Total, around $800 to $1,200 per month minimum. Vienna is usually more expensive. Smaller cities are cheaper. Remember, financial requirements and cost of living can differ as per Austria official government rules, your requirements, and situations. Student visa reality of Austria. Austria's student residence permit is not just about admission. You must show university admission letter, financial proof, accommodation proof, health insurance, clean documents. And approval is strict. One missing document can delay or reject your application. Work during study. Now, important question. Can you work while studying in Austria? Yes, but limited. Typical rule, around 20 hours per week, part-time allowed. But important truth, part-time job income is not enough to fully support living costs, so students still depend on savings or family support. Austria Family Visa. Now, let's talk about family. Can you bring spouse and children? Yes, but not automatically. Austria family reunification depends on your income, your accommodation size, your legal status, your ability to support dependents. If you are only a student, bringing family is difficult in most cases because you must prove enough money for whole family, enough housing space, stable legal residence. Important truth: family visa is easier when you have a stable job, not just student status. After graduation pathway. After finishing studies, you cannot automatically stay. You must find a job related to your qualification, apply for residence work permit, meet salary and skill requirements. Austria has a system called Red, White, Red Card, work-based residence permit. This is the real bridge from student life to long-term stay. I already made a video on Austria Red, White, Red Card. If you not watched that video, then check my description where I drop that video link. Austria job market reality. Austria has jobs, but competition exists. German language is very important. Skilled fields have better chances. Fields like engineering, healthcare, IT, skilled trades have better opportunities. Without German language, options are limited. To learn German language, I add an example book to learn German language and link in description box, so check it out if you like. Austria PR, permanent residence, reality. Now, the most important truth. Austria PR is not instant. Usually you need several years of legal residence, stable income, taxes and integration, language requirement. So the pathway is long-term, not fast, not automatic, but possible if you follow rules properly. If you still not subscribe my this channel, then please subscribe now and hit the bell icon for more visa and immigration updates. Because on my this channel, you will get authentic and real information about visa and immigration. Biggest mistakes students make. Many students fail because they don't calculate real living costs. Think PR is automatic. Ignore language requirement. Expect full financial support from part-time job. Don't plan family properly. These mistakes can lead to stress in Europe. Final advice. Austria is a good country for education and long-term planning. But it is not a shortcut country. It is not automatic PR. It requires planning, patience, and financial stability. Always verify latest update from Austria official sites before applying, because rules and regulations can be changed at any time. Final message. If you are financially prepared, serious about studies, willing to learn German, ready for long-term pathway, then Austria can be a strong option. But if you expect easy PR, easy family visa, easy job without language, then Austria will feel difficult. Now you know the real truth about Austria Study Pathway, Austria Financial Requirements 2026, Austria Family Visa Reality, Job and PR Pathway. Like the video if this video helped you to understand Austria Study Pathway and Family Visa. Share with your loved ones. Comment your feedback too. See you in next video. Until be happy, apply smartly, and remember, never give up on your dream of moving abroad.